How to enable save login info on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable save login info on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok. Now click profile and then click the storylines in the top corner, and after click on it, click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, security and login, and then just click save login info, and as you see, just by one click save login info have been turned on. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to enable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.